Get ready to sculpt and strengthen your core in just 10 minutes with this gentle yoga routine. No need to get down on the ground, just grab your chair and let's begin.
Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your right leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Continue here or adding a leg extension, squeezing and contracting your leg muscles on the extension. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers and press your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Release and return to center. Moving into a side bend variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Pausing and upright, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale at center, exhale gently twist. Inhale center, exhale repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, working through your own range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or optional to add a toe touch. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. As you reach opposite hand to leg, continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead. Exhale, elbow to knee, lifting through your left leg. Continue with this movement, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach your right arm overhead. Exhale, draw your elbow to knee, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, raise your arms out to your sides, shoulder height, palms facing upwards. Begin to gently glide from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, keeping the weight even in your hips, allowing this movement to originate from your waist, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this routine, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.